top 10.
I know. I mean, everything happens for a reason. It's been an amazing journey. I made such amazing relationships here. And I just want to say thank you so much for always supporting me. Yung Bayanihan spirit natin, it really shook the universe. And, you know, let's just give them a show next week.
Iba ka talaga.
Thank you.
Iba ka talaga, Michelle. You're one tough act to follow.
Thank you. I mean, ultimately, my goal was really to make sure that all of you know that I tried my best.
Super.
And that's all that I could ask for. Of course, last night was Nicaragua's destiny, and I wish her the best. She is an amazing queen with an amazing platform.
No regrets.
Love you, Michelle. We're very
Ano
proud
to
of
kasi
you.
yung positive ng disposition mo sa buhay. Grabe. Mama J, congratulations again. You guys did great. Amazing.
Thank you. Off to Mexico.
My God! Practice your Spanish more. Punta kayo ng Cancun.
Thank you.
So pretty.
What?
Uy! Michelle, message to all your followers and supporters. Inaabangan ng pagbabalik mo. Dapat bigyan ka ng masigabong homecoming.
For sure, Mama J, prepare a very good homecoming for Michelle. Greetings for Missology fans, please.
To all of my supporters that are here, you know, thank you so much for making the journey across the Pacific, across the universe to witness the 72nd Miss Universe competition. We have poured in so much heart, dedication into this show. We really just wanted to make all of you proud, and I hope that's what
We
happened.
are very proud.
Alam natin na malakas ang Bayanihan spirit natin. Kaya pagpatuloy lang natin, let's just always continue to spread love and kindness to the whole universe because that is who we truly are. Kaya yun, let's walk the talk all the time. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Mahal ka namin, mahal ka namin.
Ikaw lang ang natatandaan kong Miss Universe contestant na humakot ng awards talaga.
Yes, 3 awards.
3 awards. Wala akong
And congratulations for The Voice for Change.
Thank you. The Voice for Change was really one of my main goals here. Kaya nakakataba ng puso na I actually won that. Of course, the fan vote that came last year. Grabe, ang lakas talaga ng Bayanihan spirit natin. And, you know, we all definitely deserve it. Sayang hindi lang siya na-announce kasi nakapasok ako sa top 10.
Kinabahan kami ng bongga doon. Diyos ko, last
I
lap
thought
ako
last
na.
time
And then,
tatawagin.
of course, the Spirit of the Carnival Award, which represents inclusivity, diversity, and friendship. Amazing feeling, of course.
Okay, you have to go now. Thank you.
Bye, Mama J. See you in Manila. Love
Bye, Mama J.
you.
One last signature.
Grabe, hindi ko dala yung program ko. Sayang.
You can still meet Michelle in the Philippines.
Bye, Michelle. Bye, Mama J. See you in Manila. Congratulations po ulit. Proud na proud po yung buong Pilipinas sa na-accomplish nyo. Congrats MUP. Congrats GMA Sparkle. Congrats, Michelle. Bye. Bon voyage. Safe travels to Mexico.
I want to congratulate you first na nilagay mo ang bandila ng Pilipinas sa top 10. Sobrang hirap makapasok sa top 10.
Oh my gosh.
Binalik mo ulit.
Alam mo, you know, I consider this year one of the toughest years because all of us are transformational leaders in our own right. Kaya it was a very tough competition. Everybody, especially Miss Nicaragua, I love her so much and it was her destiny at the end of the day. But I'm just so happy that I had the whole Bayanihan spirit rallying behind us. There's so many supporters and that's all I can really ask for.
Correct. Congratulations ikaw din sa Carnival, sa cruise line.
Spirit of the
Correct.
Carnival Award. Voice
Yes.
for Change.
Voice
I'm
for
so
Change.
happy. And then, sinabi lang sa akin kagabi,
Fan vote, ikaw pa rin.
grabe yung Bayanihan spirit talaga.
Ibang klase yung mga Pilipino, no? Tsaka mahal na mahal natin ang ating bansa. So, Michelle, any thing that you wanna say to your fans na sumusuporta sa'yo? Hindi, actually, sorry, hindi pa rin sila makapaniwala na wala tayo. Hindi, ako rin heartbroken ako nung nalaman ko. Pero, you know, I'm rooting for you. You know that. I love you and I support you.
As much as possible, I just wanted the Filipinos to know that I tried my best. I gave it my all. I left it all to destiny and I left it all on the Miss Universe stage. You know, we put on a good show. It wasn't our destiny to hold the title, but there are bigger things in store for all of us.
Yes. Pero kahit hindi kahit nasa top 10 tayo, pero itinaas mo ang bandera ng mga
Nang sobrang
Pilipinas.
taas
Oo,
talaga.
I think yun ang pinakabongga doon.
Pinangako ko naman na lahat ng gagawin ko sa entablado, i-represent ko ang ating bayan, yung mga mahahalagang representations, and I'm just so happy it was well received. The feedback was amazing.
Correct.
At the end of the day, it's all about destiny, kaya always just choose to spread love and kindness.
Correct. And another thing is dun sa event mismo, ang daming pag ikaw lumalabas, kasi hindi naririnig ng mga fans ng TV yun eh. Pero kami naririnig namin na sobrang daming sumisigaw para sa Philippines, mga Latino, mga Asian people, saka mga Amerikano sumisigaw para sa iyo.
Thank you so much. Thank you talaga. Nakakataba pa rin dito.
Diba? Mahal ka namin, MMD. We love you. Bye!
See you Mexico!
Pupunta kami dalawa sa Mexico. Grabe! May event doon. Abangan ninyo kasi tinantik namin yung mga pupunta. Siyempre, kasama ang ating MMD. Kasama ang ating...
I'm so excited.
Yes. Kailangan kasama ka. Ano pa lang yan? Na-handpick na to before the event. Correct. Before the competition. Kailangan si MMD kasama sa Mexico. So, abangan nyo yung gagawin namin sa Mexico. We're flying today. Bye!
I mean, I guess you were holding hands till the dying moments
We
of
are
the competition.
Yeah.
14 universe!
Abangan nyo na lang serye namin.
Oh my God, ano title?
14
Is there any chance you guys will be visiting each other's countries?
Yan, yung kapit-bahay lang naman.
Yes.